I'm here in Carmarthenshire in Wales with Troy Clement from the Rug Laundry. Say hello, Troy.
Hello.
Troy, why don't you give us a tour of your shop?
Yes, please, come on in. So firstly, we have our duster. This is the machine that removes all the dry, non-water soluble soil before it goes into the wash. Down it, dust it. Let's have a little look at what's come out of this rug. Here's all the dry soil that we're looking to remove before it goes into the wash. We like to get it out before it goes into the wash. Obviously, if it's still in there, it'll turn into mud and make it much harder to remove. So this is all the lovely stuff that comes out before we've even started the wash process. Okay, Ali's just pulling out these rugs from the wash tub, which is the first step of the wash process. These rugs will stay in here for about half an hour, just before we start the actual scrubbing and washing. Okay, next step of the process is we place the rug into our automatic washing machine. This will gently scrub and rinse both sides of the rug. The rug has been thoroughly washed. We place the rug into our centrifuge. Here the rug will be spun at such a speed, all the excess water will be released to help for speedy drying. No problem with shrinkage, no problem with buckling. Once the rug is finished spinning in the centrifuge, we will bring it into our humidity and heat controlled drying room. In here the rug will dry overnight, ready for tomorrow morning to be groomed, finished and packed up, ready to be delivered to your home. Okay, this is our inspection table. Here we check every rug very closely under the lights, as you can see, ensuring that we haven't missed any spots. We'll also roll the rug up nice and tightly, ready for packaging, ready to be returned to the customer. As well as being the premium rug care facility in South Wales, we're also a teaching facility. People from all over the world come to visit us and learn how to properly clean rugs. If ever you're in South Wales, please do stop by and come visit us, and don't forget your rugs.